Hello guys, good afternoon. Not bye bye. Here we are. This is the real me. Here is the nice little paradise. Kubalibri. Something. Yeah, there is something on it. Kubalibri. This is my house. Using this one guys is a paradise. Nice. Yes. So actually this is a big hotel. So this is the one in the front, in the seafront. So we are at the back, our hotel. So it's up to us if you want to sit here or to the main where we stay. So it's just like walking. There's a circle. So it's nice of you. So we are also in front of the forest, a mountain. So you think from the sea you want to go for swimming. There is also the shower. So we saying that. So this is also a shower. So beautiful. And tomorrow we are going to so my husband is asking if we can go with a motor back here, because it's not really a summer anymore, so we don't give it anymore the royal motor, because my husband is used to drive with motor very fast. So we are going only to take something like a scooter. So it's also fine that this scooter. So this the people around the swimming pool. So people. Sometimes I don't like to do with the people to take a video or a photo. They are included by us because it's a privacy. Sometimes people doesn't want it. Some blogger, they don't care. It's like they just wanted to show up. Me, it's just like I'm doing quietly vlogging. I have still something discipline for my own. So I'm still a little bit like ashamed to showing to the people that I'm vlogging. It's especially if there is a lot of people in the public. So it's sometimes they wants to have a privacy. Ayan yung asawa ko. Ayan siya. Di naman na siya gusto. So karon ako siyang gikawatan. Gikawatan ako siya. This is my food now. I cannot make it more lower my tripod. So guys, the food here is very tasty because of due of the COVID. They are to take by your own, but the food is a lot. But they are a little bit more lower. So that is his food. So yummy, they are very tasty. So if you are a person who likes to spice salty, you don't need to put it salt anymore because they are also very tasty. They are already someone put the poison, then I'm the first one who will die. Because I'm a twister. I will consider calling facial later in the soup. So it's not too much running so and this is my outfit. So I'm not following something like because I am so happy. Si happy. What is this? Is this a hindi ko na ano yung isa. Nawa, dito siya kaganina. So, mauni siya. So, kinahanglan ano ko siya ng ganina na so makita na siya yung pinaka ano. So, dito na ako ganina malagod. So, na siya. So, nilalag na ko para makita ilang kanan. So, nagado na siya. So, ngayon sa sky ko, tsaka yung nagdagan nito. So, meron siya sa oras. Handa ako ng ganyan. Mulog sungi padungad to sa dagat. Lalalala. Ay raman tong akong banana cue. Nawala naman. Ato oras siya. So, smart ko na. Naman siya dito. So guys, sana na-end up my video. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel ko, click na lang yung bell para ma-notify kayo sa next video ko. At huwag kalimutang mag